Welcome, this is a 360 video tour of Riverbend Lodge. To use this 360 video, grab the screen just like you would Google Streetview. Look left, right, up or down. At any moment in time, you can hit pause to take a closer look around, or use the progress bar to jump forward or backward within this tour. We invite you to leave the tents and trailers at home. How about a weekend in a lodge and full use of the water park and all of our amenities for a very reasonable rate? The resort has transformed the house up on the hill into the Riverbend Lodge, which can be rented out during any part of the year. Here are just a few of the features this excellent place to stay offers. 4 separate sleeping areas to accommodate up to 14 guests. DirecTV, DVD players, and VCRs are available. Internet access is also available in the lodge. There's a full kitchen and laundry facilities, 2 full bathrooms, surround sound stereo system, a fireplace in the main living area, large outdoor patio area with picnic tables, grill and fire pit for your outdoor cooking needs. And add it all up, Riverbend Lodge is just steps away from the water park and endless amenities. To book your stay at Riverbend Lodge, call 920-261-7505 or visit riverbendrvresort.com.